Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To be.
كان.
To have.
لدى.
To do.
فعل.
To go.
ذهب.
To come.
جاء.
To see.
رأى.
To know.
عرف.
To think.
فكر.
To say.
قال.
To want.
أراد.
To give.
أعطى.
To take.
أخذ.
To use.
استخدم.
To find.
وجد.
To tell.
قال.
To work.
عمل.
To call.
اتصل.
To feel.
شعر.
To try.
حاول.
To ask.
سأل.
To need.
احتاج.
To become.
أصبح.
To leave.
ترك.
To put.
وضع.
To mean.
عنا.
Quiz time.
اتصل. اتصل. استخدم. استخدم. عرف. عرف. أعطى. أعطى. احتاج. احتاج. ذهب. ذهب.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.